In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Elevenlabs audio. First, go ahead and log in to your Elevenlabs account. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Text-to-Speech. This is where you can create new audio using your written text and your selected voice. After that, type or paste your text into the input area. Then choose the voice you want to use for the audio. Take a moment here to make sure everything looks right before generating, especially if you want the final file to sound polished and ready to use. When you're set, click Generate Speech and wait a moment for the audio to be created. Once your audio has finished generating, you will see the player appear. At the bottom right corner of that player, look for the download icon, click it to save the audio file directly to your computer or device. If you are organizing several files, it can be helpful to remember where your browser saves downloads, so you can find the file quickly afterward. Now, if you want to download audio that you created earlier, you can also do that from your history. While still in text-to-speech, move to the right-hand side and select the History tab. This section shows your previously generated audio clips, which is useful if you don't want to regenerate the same content again. In the History tab, find the audio clip you want to save. Once you locate it, click the Download button next to that clip. You will then be asked to choose the file format. Select whether you want to save the audio as an MP3 or a WAV file. MP3 is usually a good choice if you want a smaller file that's easy to share, while WAV is better if you need higher audio quality for editing or production. After you select the format, the file will begin downloading. Depending on your browser and device settings, it may save automatically to your Downloads folder, or you may be asked to choose a save location first. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.